So guys, before I start the lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Today, we are going to learn about question in final examination. It is about topic and main idea and descriptive text. First, topic and main idea. Topic is the simplest description that everything refers back to. Topic states in a word or phrase. Then move to the example given in the text. I will read sentence by sentence. Video can be an effective learning for the students. It can make the students interested in learning new things. They say that it can practice their skills such as reading, listening, writing, and speaking skill. The students like watching video because it consists of music, image, animations that are able to train students' creativity. Then the question is, review the topic of the text. Exactly. The topic of the text is video because video is repeated for many times, and if you find pronoun, it refers to video. So the topic of the text is video. The main idea of a paragraph is the primary point or concept that the author wants you to know or communicate to the readers about the topic. Main idea states in a sentence. It is not only in the first sentence. It can be in the middle or last paragraph. It's given, so review the main idea of the text. Exactly, the main idea is video can be an effective learning for the students. Let's try to the next text. I will read sentence by sentence. The movie Apollo 13 was a blockbuster for the summer of 1995. waiting to see what happens. What makes it even more exciting is that it is a true story. The question is review the topic of the text. The topic of the text is the movie Apollo 13 because all the symbols refers back to the movie Apollo 13. But the main idea is in the first sentence. Apollo 13 was a blockbuster for the summer of 1995. The topic is in a word or phrase, while main idea in a sentence. I will give you tips how to decide the main idea in the paragraph or text. First, identify the topic. Read the passage through completely, then try to identify the topic. Second, check the first and last sentence. The writer often put the main idea in the first sentence or last sentence of the paragraph. Then, after that, summarize it in your own word in one sentence. The last, look for repetition of ideas. If you read through a paragraph and you have no idea how to summarize it, because there is so much information, start looking for repeated words, phrases, or related ideas. Second material will be descriptive text. I will little bit review about descriptive text so that you can understand about this material. Descriptive text is a text which describes what a person or a thing look like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. Pahawang Island. Pahawang Island is an island located in Punduh Padada District, Pasawaran District, Lampung Province. The island is divided into two. There are a Big Pahawang Island and Small Pahawang Island. Pahawang Island has a lot of beautiful scenery, hills of green trees, white sand beach, crystal clear and fresh sea water are what can enjoy on the island. It is suitable for those who like snorkeling. Moreover, in small Pahawang Island, there is a natural bridge called Tanjung Putus. Tanjung Putus connects between the Tanjung Putus Island and the small Pahawang Island. Tanjung Putus can only be seen during low tide because when the tides rise, this natural bridge will be underwater. Tanjung Putus region is also one of the favorite diving spot for the visitors. Small Pahawang Island can be reached approximately 10 minutes from Big Pahawang Island. Most visitors stay at Pahawang Big Island because mostly locals live there. Then review the language features of the text. Language features. First, simple present tense. Most of the texts use verb 1, so it means it is a simple present tense. In this case, I will show the evidence. For example, Pahawang Island has a lot of beauty. Has is verb 1, so it is a simple present tense. Use attribute verb like be. For example, is are. In this case, I will show the evidence. For example, Tanjung Putus region is also one of the favorite diving spots for the visitors. Is one of the example of attribute verb. Third, only focus to one object. In this case, the object is Pahawang Island. I will give you tips how to write a descriptive text correctly. First, decide an object. You can choose place, thing, person, or animal. Second, give detailed information about the object. So you have to describe specifically about that object. Third, use simple present tense. So don't forget to use verb 1 in the text. And the last, apply generic structure in your text. As we know, the generic structure of descriptive text is first, identification, second, description. Thank you for watching.